All right, here we go. June 16th. We're gonna pull some honey? I don't know. Let's see. But it's been 2 weeks since they had the additional super on. So under supered, undrawn comb. So let's see what they're up to. See what's going on with the girls today. I'm on the fence about doing one more week. Waiting one more week. But let's get in here and see what they're up to. And we're good. Sun is in the wrong place again. Come on, girls. So last week we were borderlined. Like I got a bee in my suit already. So that is full of nectar. That is not. So let's see what they're up to in the middle here. Nope. Close. 2/3 of one side. Oh yeah. All right, that one's not going. Just not ready yet. It's close, it's just not ready. So that's frame 3. Yeah. Girls, you've done it. Look at that. Beautiful. So that's coming in a little bit on the end, but that's it. So let's give them a little shake. Of course, I forgot my brush. I gotta go grab that. Not prepared. Sorry, girls. All right, let's throw that in the box. Better. Got a brush. So let's see. Frame 4 done. Let's see what's up here. This one's not. Right there in the middle. It's just not done. So we'll leave it. Still needs to be capped. So I gotta say that it just didn't get capped this week, like I was hoping. I kind of thought those would be done. Thought those middle 3, possibly 4. Yeah, here's another one. So what I'm gonna do is just gonna wait one more week. Just not ready with this hive. They're close, just not ready. So let's take a peek here at these outer frames. So those are full. They just, they got a little space in the front, but so let's just put you back. I'm just gonna put it back. I'm not gonna harvest this week. Just not gonna harvest this week, that's fine. We'll wait one more week for you girls. We'll get a nice pull off in a week. So I'm just gonna put that box back together and we're just not gonna harvest. So we'll see. Another week wouldn't be the end of the world. Use my arms for a minute here. I'm not in that much of a rush right now, so it's not the end of the world. I did expect them to definitely cap off more, but we'll see. Hold on a second. And I did forget is my scale. Oh yeah. Well, it definitely feels like it's ready. Okay, let's see here. Oop. Sticking to my glove. All right, so this is the middle one. This was the under super at one point in time until I did under super. And then, come on girls. So this one's probably gonna have the dome where it's just not capped yet either. So let's wait and see here. Just clean up a little bit of this so I don't squish. I already got a couple ladies here I can see. Sorry girls. Alright. So let's just wait and see here. Come on, get out of the way. Yeah, I'm just gonna say one more week we'll do it. Supposed to be really nice this weekend. Look at that. That's probably that's the outer frame. So let's just take a peek. See what. Yeah. So here we go again. This will all get capped. Hopefully next week. But that'll all get capped. We'll just wait one more week and maybe we'll take a whole box in a week. I'll have to wait and see here. Yeah, this isn't, it's full of nectar, but it's just not ready. So hold on. There's still dome in the center one. This right here is completely empty. So I'm a little curious to see that whole frame right there is empty. I thought they would have filled it by now. So that's another domer. And yeah, these are all domed. These two are domed. Centers are empty. Dry, ready for the queen. So, a couple more here. All right, that one's full. That one's full. All right, girls, all right. All right. So this one's closer. So that's it. It's just one more week. That's all. I'm not in a rush. I've already been harvesting off other hives. But this hive will just wait. I mean, this one right here, very close. So we know what, see, definitely 1, 2, one more here. Ugh, look at that. So you are not ready. So definitely have 2 for sure that are good to go next week. So there we go, mouse. There we go, ladies. One more week. Am I over all the way? Just sticky. All right, just trying to go slow here. Not get them all amped up. We'll see. So we're looking at what? 16th today. Oh my goodness. It feels heavy. It feels ready. So. All right, so this is 2 weeks. That part's very loose. 2 weeks down here. So what I'm hoping to see is a lot. Oh, I do see some good drawn comb. So what I didn't do was I didn't put 2. They were already working in the middle here. I don't know what I was doing at the time. So that right there, you can see a little bit of it. In the center, they did like a racing stripe. So this here, oh, there, look at that. That's 2 weeks. So this is frame 2. They've already got nectar in it. Maybe we're focused down here more than we are on the finishing off. Look at that, that's nice. It's actually beautiful. 2 weeks. 3 weeks, it'll be full. 4 weeks, it'll be capped. That wishful thinking. Look at you, beautiful comb. This whole thing, like I said, this is a completely brand new box with 10 frames of undrawn comb. So we're gonna get 10 beautiful frames out of these girls in another week. Nice. So we're still on a flow, still on a drawn comb, getting it done. I think this is 7. 7 is practically done. So now we're on 8. What are we doing? What do we do? What do we do? All right, look at that. So half of 8 and looks like a quarter of 9. Yep. So I'm not gonna mess with them. Look at that, beautiful. All right, well, they've done what they're supposed to do so far. Just hasn't been capped yet. Thank you for watching.